Thomas Smith is a villager in the White Noise Village in New York. He was walking around the hills of White Noise until he heard a crying noise. He approached the crying person before ultimately getting killed. John Williams was a villager in the White Noise Village. He was sitting in his house until he heard a knock. He went to open the door, and after a few minutes authorities came to only find a John Williams. Oh my God! Breaking news. New news about a hit ender's physical appearance has been gathered, and they are 1. A usual hit ender looks pale. Their skin tone is completely white. 2. They can speak and laugh in a distorted way. 3. There are multiple types of hit enders like races. They are not 1. 4. The races or the type are the following. The abductors. They camouflage and look like grass. The Balkan. Their skin color is pale white, and they are the worst type of hit enders, as they can eat human flesh. The Murds. They don't have a physical appearance, as they are a digital version of a hit ender. They can control media, voices, tapes, televisions, and more.